This video, I show you how to earn $65 in just 10 minutes by simply watching videos. Which is one of the easiest ways to make money online in this year 2022. How to do it? We are about to find out. This is how to make money online by simply watching videos. Now I believe most of you searching for ways of making money online. Well, you are in the right place. With the help of this new strategy, you can make some good amount of PayPal cash simply by enjoying videos online. So you must watch this video from start to finish and follow all the easy steps and instructions that I will show you in this video. But before we go any further, I want to show you the payment proofs that people receive regularly. And, as you can see, these people are receiving payment for every video that they watch. And the best part about this method is that it's 100% free. So you don't have to pay any money to do this. And you can do this through your smartphone or laptop. And also you don't need any previous experience or skill to do this. And this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter if you coming from United States, Europe, Australia, Philippines, India, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Pakistan or any countries in the world. You can use today's method and start making money online. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description. Now, with no further ado, let's get back to the video. So all you have to do is go to the top right corner of the page and click sign in. To log in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. To do so, go to this page and then click on the Create Account button. On the next page, fill in your full name in these two boxes, as well as your completely new email address right below. And finally, as confirmation, type and retype your password in these two boxes. Finally, click Next to continue. Before you can sign up, you'll need to provide a few more details. Once you successfully log into your YouTube account, the Explore button will appear on the left-hand side of the page. You really need to click on it. On the next page, where you'll have to choose a game. And what this will do now is show you the videos in the gaming specialized field that are performing really well and receiving a broad number of views. And it's from these videos that they may make a lot of money online. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. You should now simply leave this page and just go to the second website that we'll be using today to get paid. The second website I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com. This website is a place where you can earn money by shortening the URLs of specific videos. As you can see, the first thing that is needed of you is to create an account, then shorten the link to any website, and you will be actually paid through it. It is for this purpose that they will pay you to shorten links. When you shorten a link to any website, maybe not a YouTube video link. When someone clicks on it, they will be directed to an external page where they will see advertisements before being redirected to the target site. In this approach, the website generates revenue through advertising, which is also how YouTube generates revenue. And the ad money is split between the person who just shortened the link on this platform. This is what you will do when you first visit this site. And as you know, you must first create an account before you can be compensated. To do so, go to the topmost right corner of the page and click the Sign Up button, which will take you to this page where you will enter your username, email address, and password to sign up. After that, you have to check this box to confirm the terms and conditions. And finally click the Register button below to complete the sign-up process. So once you have successfully created your account, you just need to log in here. And that will look when you log into your newly created account. You can also check your total number of views earned, referral earnings, and average CPM over here. To shorten the link, simply click on the new shortened link right here and copy it into this box to finish the process. Once you've managed to earn a decent amount of money from those shortened links, you can withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw icon to the left. And you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money and so on. There's so many different payment options. After you've created an account, all you have to do is shorten links to earn money. And the YouTube videos are the ones we'll want to shorten. Even though you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos, I will give you a bonus tip that will allow you to earn more profit. It is important that you put focus on live videos. And I assure you that you will see better results and gain more profit. Simply click on live here to have YouTube only show you live videos, and that's all there is to it. The next step is to open up any one of them, such as this one, and to find the video's URL, simply click on share over here and you'll be able to copy the link. Now simply return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then click on shorten button to complete the process. And to make it really efficient, you'll want to repeat what I've shown you for at least 3 videos. Just remember, you will be able to earn more money if you shorten as many links to various videos as possible. And now that you've shortened different links to different videos, it's time to put them all together. Your traffic source is the only thing that's missing. You must get people to click on your link in order to be compensated. How can you do this? Don't worry, I'm going to share 2 significant traffic sources with you. The first is steamcommunity.com, a forum where people talk about things that are related to gaming. Through Steam, thousands of postings about various games may be found here. And the site receives millions of monthly visitors. Because we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos, these 2 aspects make it the ideal traffic source for us. The first thing you'll need to do on this website is to create an account. All you have to do now is create a post on this site where you will share your shortened links to start receiving clicks. Imagine how simple it is to make money online. You may simply sit there patiently and wait for hundreds of thousands of clicks from gamers and individuals from all over the world. Apart from Steam, you can also use this website called moot.us to share your shortened URLs. You can simply repeat what you did with Steam previously. Simply follow all of the steps I've just shared with you, and boom. The amount of traffic that is about to come your way will amaze you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up.